Welcome back to Groove Master Academy, where we're dedicated to helping you become the best group musician you can be. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of being a great band guitarist. Mastering different rhythmic patterns and staying in sync with the drummer. It is easier if you understand some details of the soundscape you're working in. The lowest note in standard tuning is E2, 82 Hz. So your low-end chords are going to lock in with the kick drum, which is also in this range. Thunder. The deep rumble of thunder can reach around 82 Hz or lower. Earthquakes can generate low-frequency seismic waves that may include frequencies in the approximate 82 Hz range. This is still down in the range where humans feel sound more than they hear. Use thunder to your advantage. Keep it under control, but just barely. Know your amps and pedals. Driving a metal anthem or laying down a funk grooves are examples of techniques that define a genre, but must be used appropriately. There's some fundamentals of amplification that will help you navigate any system. Make sure you understand how preamps and amps work and how they work together. Know the basic effects. Effects all fall into the general categories of reverb, delay, and modulation. Phaser, chorus, etc. Be aware of the massive effect different speakers have on guitar tone. But wait, what just happened there? Looks like a tense situation. Our music means a lot to us, and it is a topic that we can be really sensitive about. There is a moment between a thought and action. If you can step back and control that moment, you have a powerful tool to use to your advantage. Always advocate for the best interests of the music. Always be asking yourself, though, what is the best and what is ego? Dynamics play a significant role in music. All musicians should be aware of volume and balance. Guitarists have a reputation for being loud. Part of the reason is that the guitar creates so much sound at around 1 kilohertz, which is also the most sensitive range of human hearing. So if you are the player who cranks it up to dazzle the world with your shredding and then turns down again at the end of your turn, your bandmates will love you for it. Remember, dynamics can take your band's performance to the next level. Understanding song form and other basic elements will also make you a better player and make your part easier to remember. And speaking of your part, hold yourself accountable for doing your homework. Other band members who are serious will automatically do this too. Always be pleasant, but value your time and the time of others. Now let's look more at the sonic space the guitar operates in. The highest open note is E4, 330 Hz, cicadas buzzing. Cicadas are known for their loud buzzing sounds that can approach or reach the frequencies around 330 Hz. Bee buzzing. Bee wings generate frequencies in the approximate range of 330 Hz. Just keep in mind the frequency ranges you operate in and how they sound and interact with other instruments. Another vital aspect of being a great band guitarist is knowing how to collaborate. As a guitarist, you have the power to control the intensity and mood of a song. Listen to your bandmates, understand their musical ideas, and find ways to complement their playing. Experiment with different guitar textures and tones to create a unique sonic landscape that enhances the overall band sound. Learn how to use techniques like volume swells, palm muting, and string bends to add depth and expression to your playing. Now, let's address the importance of stage presence. As a band guitarist, you're not just playing an instrument, you're also a performer. Develop your stage presence by engaging with the audience, moving with confidence, and expressing the emotions of the music through your body language. Remember, a captivating stage presence can make a lasting impression on your audience. Finally, never stop learning and growing as a guitarist. Playing music is a lifelong journey, never a destination. Take advantage of resources like online tutorials, music workshops, and jam sessions with fellow musicians. Embrace a mindset of lifelong learning, and you'll constantly evolve as a guitarist. Continuously challenge yourself by exploring different genres, styles, and techniques. At Groove Master Academy, our videos and educational materials are always here to help. That wraps up our episode on how to be a great band guitarist. Remember, it's not just about playing the guitar. It's about understanding your role, collaborating with your bandmates, and delivering an unforgettable musical experience. Remember, you are lovable and capable. If you learned something today, perhaps we have earned a subscription from you. Thank you.